Awesome. What's going on, everyone? This is Brian from East Hood Racing, and today we're going to do an unboxing and quick review of the K&N High Flow Air Filter 332260. Yeah! So here's how I'll show you when you get your box. You're going to open it, and then you just look at that. See all that red coloring right there? This is letting you know there's mad horsepower here. If Lewis Hamilton was allowed to, he would run these. But he's not because of the rules. That's not fair. But this is going to be going in the Highlander. And pull it out the box. You can take the plastic off. Don't do that until you're ready to put it in the car to make sure it stays pristine. Check this box K&N out here with the logoing. We got diaphragms and science and numbers. And yeah, so there you go. That's your unboxing and review of this filter. It's a filter. It's going to filter air. With red. That's crazy.
Another day in the ghetto.